Hi, today in front of me INFINIX HOT 20i and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate it, you should click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here the list with all of the available networks. For example, let's use the first one. Here we should enter our password. To see this password, click to this eye icon to have some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen. Then just tap here to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the switcher. So you can turn it on or turn it off by click on the switcher. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel shortcuts. Here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi and to turn it off. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that just select the network, enter password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.